Hi dear students, once again welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to do the revision question from Introduction to Trigonometry. Okay, most awaited video I think. So children, I have selected very important problems which can be asked for the board examination. So please do watch all the problems which we are going to solve in this video. Okay, so let us move to the first question, and that is if tan theta plus 1 by tan theta equal to 2. Then what is the value of tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta? We have four options. Okay, so what is given children? Tan theta plus 1 by tan theta equal to 2. See, this is given. Tan theta plus 1 by tan theta equal to 2. From there we can develop the steps. Okay, so since they are connected by plus sign, okay, so in order to solve we have to take either LCM or the cross multiplication. Okay, so if I am keeping 1, so tan theta into tan theta, tan square theta. Okay, and 1 ones are 1 plus 1 divided by 1 into tan theta equal to RHS is 2, that is given. Understood? Okay, and next I am going to take tan theta into RHS. So you will have tan square theta plus 1, 2 into tan theta, 2 tan theta. This comes in the RHS. Denominator become numerator. Understood? Okay, and in the next step I am going to take that 2 tan theta into LHS by keeping RHS into 0. Okay, so tan square theta plus 1, this is already there, these two terms are there in the LHS. Now I am going to take this 2 tan theta into LHS. So minus 2 tan theta, so nothing is there in the RHS, so equal to 0. See children, what is tan square theta plus 1 minus 2 tan theta? See, if you want you can treat this one as 1 square. So tan theta whole square, that is tan square theta plus 1 square, a square plus b square minus 2 into a tan theta into b 1. Okay, 2 tan theta. So this is expanded form of tan theta. In place of a you can write tan theta and b, that is b square is 1 square, so minus b, by because 2ab minus 2ab, so minus 1 whole square equal to 0. That is we got now tan theta minus 1 whole square equal to 0, because this is the expanded form of tan theta minus 1 the whole square. This is the very important step. From this you have to write this step. If so, that means if x square equal to 0 implies x equal to 0, then only when you take its square you will get x square equal to 0. That means you can equate its base equal to 0, RHS is 0. That means tan theta minus 1 equal to 0, this 0, okay. From this step tan theta equal to, then minus 1 come to RHS plus 1. So we have now the value of tan theta. Okay, and what is here? We have to find out tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. So tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. If tan theta equal to 1, so tan square theta 1 square theta 1 square. So 1 plus 1 by tan square theta is there, also you can substitute for 1 tan square theta as 1. So 1 by 1, that is 1 by 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta is equal to 2. If tan theta plus 1 by tan theta equal to 2, so 1 tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta is also equal to 2. So which is the correct option? Option B. It is clear. The very important step is from this expanded form you have to write, that is the expanded form of the identity a minus b whole square, that is tan theta minus 1 whole square, that can be equated to 0. If so, the base, that is tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. So from that step you can write tan theta when minus 1 to come to RHS, so plus 1, so tan theta equal to 1. Then we can substitute these values here so that can be equated to 2. So that is the first question. So based on this result, we can have one more question, that is second question. If tan theta plus 1 by tan theta equal to 2, the same condition is here. We have the same condition. Then we have to find out the value of cosec theta. This is something different, but the idea is same as the first question. Okay, so we can start from multiplying, that is cross multiplication or finding the LCM. We have seen that just follow these steps. That means we have now tan theta equal to 1. Okay, if tan theta equal to 1, then if you have a right triangle and the acute angle is theta, okay, and tan theta, that ratio tan theta, what is the tan theta? That is opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so with respect to theta, this is the opposite side. Okay, so 1 and this is adjacent side 1, then only tan theta equal to 1. So tan theta equal to 1 means opposite side by adjacent side equal to 1. 1 is 1 by 1, so opposite side, and when you take it simplified form, you will get 1 by 1. Both are the same. So that is why I have marked as 1 and 1. If so, and what is our cosec theta? By the ratio, what is cosec theta? It is a reciprocal of sin theta, right? And we know that sin theta equal to, or sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, and its reciprocal is cosec theta. That is, with respect to this, it's a hypotenuse. This is 90 degree. Okay, so the opposite, that hypotenuse. Okay, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. Okay, this is triangle ABC. Okay, so children, in order to get cosec theta, we have to find out hypotenuse. If you know the two sides, you can definitely calculate the third side by using Pythagoras theorem, right? Okay, so by applying the Pythagoras theorem, AC square, square of the hypotenuse. What is the square of the hypotenuse? The sum of the squares of other two sides. Other two sides are AB square and BC square. AB is 1, so 1 square is 1. Okay, 1 square plus BC square also 1 square, that is 1 square plus 1 square 2, that is AC square equal to 2. That means the square of the hypotenuse is 2, but we need the hypotenuse only. So AC will be square root of 2. That is the hypotenuse, that is with respect to angle theta, AC is the hypotenuse. So root 2 is the value of its hypotenuse. And since the hypotenuse divided by opposite side is cosec theta, the reciprocal of sin theta. Okay, so you can equate this cosec theta equal to its hypotenuse, that is root 2 divided by opposite side is 1, that is root 2 by 1 is root 2. So cosec theta equal to root 2. You can see the option here. Yes, C is the correct option, root 2. These two are very important questions, children. So we are moving to the third question. Now the third question, if root 3 tan theta equal to 2 sin theta, find the value of sin square theta minus cos square theta. As usual, we have 4 options. Let us start how this problem can be solved. So what is given, children? Root 3 tan theta equal to 2 sin theta. Okay, so here, children, I am keeping root 3 as it is in the LHS by taking tan theta into RHS under division, because this is into, that is root 3 into tan theta. Okay, so it will be root 3 equal to 2 sin theta. Tan theta come to RHS, it will be in the denominator. Idea is clear, children? Okay, so what we need, we have to find out separately the value of sin theta and cos theta, then only we can solve here. Okay, so for that we knew what is this 1 by tan theta, right? This 2 tan theta into 1 by tan theta. Okay, so 1 by tan theta is reciprocal relation, that is cot theta. So children, my point is this can be written as 1 by tan theta, right? 2 sin theta into 1 by tan theta, and 1 by tan theta is cot theta, right? 1 by tan theta is cot theta, and by quotient relation we know cot theta can be expressed in the form of sin and cos. Okay, that is cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Okay, so I am going to substitute for cot theta as cos theta by sin theta. See, they are connected by into, that means this sin theta and sin theta get cancelled. That means now this RHS reduced into 2 cos theta, 2 and cos theta. Sin theta get cancelled. And we have in the LHS root 3. See what we have now, children. We have root 3 equal to 2 cos theta. Okay, I am going to substitute here. I am keeping cos theta alone in RHS. So this 2 come to LHS under division. So root 3 by 2. Okay, so cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, in terms of cos theta, root 3 by 2 in values, acute angle values, that column we know, so that you can write this cos theta, the equivalent value in angle measurement. Okay, root 3 by 2 is for cos 30. Okay, so I am going to substitute this root 3 by 2 in terms of cos without changing its value, because we are connecting by equal to sign. So this can be equal to cos 30 degree. We know that the values, okay, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 0, that is 1, that is for sin theta, okay, 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So it's reverse order, you will get the cos theta, the values of the cos theta. So cos 30, that means theta can be equated to 30 degree. Why? Because we should know what is sin square theta. Here this is reduced into sin square 30. Yes, we have seen that theta, the value of theta is 30 degree. So sin square theta is now changed into sin square 30 minus cos square 30 degree. We have to find out this value. Okay, and what is sin square 30? Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. See children, do you remember that first row? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. This is 0 degree, this is 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree is 1. So sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 and its square is 1 by 2 whole square. Because sin square 30, sin square 30, sin 30 whole square, right? Okay, minus cos square 30. What is cos square 30? It's reverse order. Okay, that is, this is cos 0, this is cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90. Okay, so cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square, right? So squaring you will be getting 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, minus root 3 whole square is 3 and 2 square is 4. So we have like fractions. So 1 minus 3 by 4, that is minus 2 by 4. 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 4. By reducing you will have minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, yes, the second option. Now the fourth question. If the angles of a triangle ABC are in the ratio 1:2 respectively, and the largest angle being C, okay, we have to find out the value of CK by cosec B minus tan A by cot B. Options as usual given. Okay, so what is given? We have a triangle ABC, and being trigonometry, we can consider that as a right triangle ABC, and longest side, that is acute angles, can be B and A. And why? Because angle C is the largest angle. So we have now a right triangle ABC, right angled at C, and the other angles are acute angles. Understood? Okay, and what is asked? We have, and they are given 1:2. That means these two angles, as if it is x, so this also x, and this will be 2x. Okay, so ratios, in terms of ratio, we are usually taking the relation in this way. So angle A can be x, angle B also x, because 1:1. Longest angle C, that is 2x. Okay, so here children, we have to apply the angle sum property. Okay, that means by angle sum property, x plus 2x, sum of all the interior angles equal to 180 degree. Okay, which means 4x. Okay, 4x on adding like terms 180 degree, or x is equal to 180 by 4, that is 4 4s are 16, 2, so 45 degree. X is equal to 45 degree. X is equal to 45 implies we have taken angle A and angle B as same because 1 is to 1. Okay, and the 2 times x, 2 times angle A and angle B equal to angle C. So angle C is equal to 2 into 45, that is equal to 90 degree, and angle A and angle B equal to 45 degree. Understood how we found that angle measurement? Okay, why? Because we have given in terms of the ratio, the measurement of angles in terms of ratio. Okay, and by applying angle sum property, we can easily reach into the value of x as 45 degree. Understood? Okay, then what is asked? Seek A. So after calculating the value of x as 45, you can substitute angle A as 45. Angle A and angle B are equal. Okay, so sec for A now becomes sec 45 divided by cosec 45 minus tan 45 and cot 45. All these ratios, that angle is A or B, and we have seen that angle A and angle B are the same, so 45. Okay, so now we are going to substitute the value of sec 45. Sec 45 is the reciprocal of cos 45, right? And we know that sin 45 and cos 45 both are equal to 1 by root 2. Children, learn the values, that is acute angle, the value of 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, so sec 45 is root 2, reciprocal of cos 45, that is 1 by root 2, its reciprocal is root 2. Divided by, what is cosec 45? Cosec 45 is the reciprocal of sin 45, already told. Sin 45 as well as this cos 45 both are equal to 1 by root 2, so its reciprocal also root 2, or cosec 45 and sec 45 both are equal to root 2. Understood? Minus, then tan 45 and cot 45 both are equal to 1, tan 45. Okay, that is sin 45 by cos 45. So 1 by 1 is 1, root 2 and root 2 both are equal to 1 minus 1, that equal to 0. So that means the value of sec A by cosec B minus tan A by cot B equal to 0. First option. First option is the correct one. Okay. So we are moving to the next question. Children, please learn the values. Okay. Now the fifth question, if 1 plus sine square alpha equal to 3 sine alpha cos alpha, then the values of cot alpha, values, that means we have to find out values, means more cot can take more than one value. Okay, so we have given two values in bracket, the first option, and up to 4 options are as usual given. Okay, so children, what is given here? 1 plus sine square alpha equal to 3 sine alpha cos alpha. So as usual, I am taking this RHS into LHS by making this RHS into 0. That is the first step. That means here 1 plus sine square alpha. So after taking this, this will be minus 3 sine alpha cos alpha equal to 0. Okay, so if you are keeping this 1 as it is, we can't reach into the values of cot alpha. So for that, I am going to substitute this 1 as by using the first identity, that is sine square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1. So instead of 1, I am substituting the first identity, that means sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, right? Then this second term, that is plus sine square alpha minus 3 sine alpha cos alpha equal to 0. First step is clear, children? Okay. And sine square alpha and sine square alpha, that together both are like, so 2 sine square alpha, 1 sine square alpha, 1 sine square alpha, so this together, okay, 2 sine square alpha. Okay, and the next is another very important substitution I am going to make. I am going to split this minus 3 sine alpha cos alpha. If you are keeping minus 3, we can't reach into the answer. So minus 3 is, we know that minus 2 plus minus 1, right? So I am going to split this minus 3 sine alpha cos alpha as minus 2 sine alpha cos alpha minus sine alpha cos alpha. As, just like this, that is 3x is equal to minus 2x minus x. Okay, here x in place of x, sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, that is another change. So I am going to write this as minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha without changing its value. Okay, I just splitted that minus 3 as this manner, and we have cos square alpha as the last term, cos square alpha, and as usual RHS 0. So up to this is okay, children. So in the next step I am grouping these terms, that means the first and second terms together. Okay, from these two terms, see which are common. Here first term 2 sin square alpha, here minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So 2 sin alpha, here also 2 sin square alpha. So we can take 2 sin alpha as common. So 2 sin alpha, after taking 2 sin alpha from the first term, sin square alpha means sin alpha into sin alpha. So we have taken 2 sin alpha outside. So we have sin alpha alone in the first term remaining. And from the second term, from here 2 sin alpha already have taken. So cos alpha. Understood? And here minus, then the next group, minus sin alpha cos alpha, and here cos square alpha. See children, here the third term cos alpha, here also cos square alpha is cos alpha into cos alpha. So we can take minus cos alpha outside. So here sin alpha remaining, sin alpha. In order to get a plus here, so after taking minus, we have minus sign. So minus cos alpha equal to 0. It is clear, children. Then only when you open the bracket, minus cos alpha sin alpha, that is here minus sin alpha cos alpha, minus into minus plus cos square alpha. See, after changing this step, you can see that the sin alpha minus cos alpha, here also sin alpha minus cos alpha, that factor is common. So from this term and this term, sin alpha minus cos alpha as common. So after taking that, in the first term 2 sin alpha, 2 sin alpha, here this can be, this already taken outside. So minus cos alpha. Okay, sin alpha minus cos alpha we have taken. So 2 sin alpha here and cos alpha in the bracket as from the second term equal to 0. This step is clear, children. That means here we have sin alpha minus cos alpha into 2 sin alpha minus cos alpha equal to 0. See children, for example, if xy equal to 0 means x equal to 0 and y also equal to 0. Both can be equal to 0. Then only the product will be 0. So I am going to substitute as each factor equal to 0. That is, first factor is sin alpha minus cos alpha equal to 0. So this is the first term. See children, if we have x minus y into x plus y equal to 0, which means x minus y equal to 0. That means x is equal to y, right? The same way. And second factor, that means 2 sin alpha minus cos alpha equal to 0. That means we can separately equated these two factors as 0. Understood? And the first factor, if since this is equal to 0, sin alpha equal to minus cos alpha become plus cos alpha in the RHS. But what we need? Cot alpha. And cot alpha is cos alpha by sin alpha, right? So RHS is cos alpha is there. So I am taking sin alpha into RHS. So here this is 1 into sin alpha, okay? So 1 equal to, after taking sin alpha, cos alpha divided by sin alpha. That means cot alpha. That is, we from the first factor we have seen that the value of cot alpha equal to 1. And from values of cot alpha, that is what is asked in the question. And from the second factor, since 2 sin alpha minus cos alpha equal to 0, I am keeping 2 sin alpha alone. Okay. And minus cos alpha become plus cos alpha in the RHS. And as usual I told, here we need cot alpha. So sin alpha should come in the denominator. So 2 I am keeping in LHS. by taking sin alpha into denominator and the RHS. So cos alpha by sin alpha, that is 2 equal to cot alpha. That means we have now two values of cot alpha. They are 1 and 2. From the second factor, cot alpha, we have seen that its value is 2. That means 1 and 2, that is third option. So after solving separately, okay, you can easily reach into the values of cot alpha as 1 and 2. It's very, very important question. See children, once again, this minus 3 alpha should be splitted into minus 2 alpha sin alpha cos alpha, and here 1 should be expressed as the identity form, that is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. And slowly you follow these steps so that you can easily reach into the final answer, that is the values of cot alpha as 1 and 2. Okay, so this is all about this video, and we will solve more problems from this lesson in the coming videos. So thank you children, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Thank you all.